Okay guys, so I showed you the manual pop-up socket. This one you manually put it up and down. Okay, so this is down. Press it, pull it up, locks up in place. That's up. We're gonna update this to a automatic pop-up socket. This is it right here. This is a motorized pop-up socket. It's from a company called Kung Fu King. I'm gonna have this link down in the description if you want to buy this. And before we get started, I just want to remind you guys, those of y'all who are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. And don't forget to leave a comment if you like this. Tell me how much you like it. So this is the manual one, and this is the motorized one. So let's open it up. Alright, so this is 2.5 inches diameter. This one is 4 inches. And this will be down on the bottom. So I'm gonna install it and then we'll check it out. Let's see what else it comes with. Instructions and the plug for the bottom. So I'm gonna have the link in the description if this is something you want to install. Click that link, go ahead and get you one. I just want to show you guys the difference between the manual and the motorized. Wow, this is a big difference. Huge difference in size. Huge difference in size. So let's go ahead and get this hole drilled for the automatic. This is the drill we're going to use for the motorized. This is the first, I guess there's 2 plywood on here to double the strength of the board, of the table. So you can see the first hole, and I'm making the second hole around that. Alright guys, let's do a little cleanup. Okay, we're all cleaned up. Okay, so this is our motorized, and we want to drop it with the power button facing this way, and just drop it in. Get your backing. Okay, so once you drop it in, you locate it the right way, go to the bottom, and you're gonna take your screw, pull it all the way up, and you just lock it in. Get it started. Try not to cross thread. Okay, snug it. Come back to the top. Get your power button situated right. And you lock it in place. Guys, got it installed. Then you'll grab the power. Go ahead and get that opened up. Get your power cord. And it's just as simple as plugging it in. So this is what it looks like on the bottom. I don't use this table in the downward position, so it's not gonna matter to me. Come right here, and you see the plug? Just plug it in.
go. Just
okay guys, I got everything installed, and you see, with the pop-up socket, you don't have to have wires all over the place on the desk anymore. Everything's just real clean. If you need a charge, or you want to plug something in, you just hold the lidded spot for 5 seconds. Once it's on, you just tap it. Your plug will come up. This one has 2 USB on the top and 4 15-amp plugs. So let's go ahead and try to plug something in. I got my GoPro battery charger. We'll just plug it in the USB. There you go. Now you don't have to stumble around under the desk, on the floor, trying to plug something in. You want to plug your laptop in, you just plug it in right there. Once you're done, just put it down. Plug it, tap it, and stores away. Nice and clean. One of the things that I noticed with this one is, unlike the manual, on the bottom, you don't have to worry about the compartment moving because this is fixed. All the motorized action is inside, so even when it's coming up, the bottom doesn't move. Everything is kept on the inside, so that's pretty good. And another feature this one has is, if it's going down and something's here, look, it automatically stops. It will not pinch your hands or anything. And you can also step it, so you can use it as 2 plugs. See? So if you're coming up, you just want 1 plug, just stop it right there. You want 3, just stop it where you want it. That's pretty cool. So this has been the installation of the motorized pop-up socket. Makes it real easy. Keep your desk organized. And remember guys, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and feel free to leave a comment in the description and tell me how much you like this and if it's something you think you might want to install in your home office or RV. Thanks guys, have a nice day. Bye.